Hi guys! Maayong gabi! Good morning, Philippines! Good evening, everybody! This is our third day of live selling here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Exclusively here at Gap. The date today is August 23, Sunday. And it's 4:50 in the morning here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is 7:50 in the evening in the Philippines. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I have a lot of stocks today. Beautiful. Everything is on sale na sad. Sobra. Sobra. Okay, ganun paper. Sige lang. Ako check. Anan yung check? Maayong gabi! Yes! Grabe ang sale karon as in super! Tanan na din eh, mga clearance ako ipakita sa inyo. Grabe yun, as in. Grabe yun.
We offer the highest quality products.
Everything that I will sell today are all on clearance.
Never get bored.
Everything will be on clearance.
Bella's online shop, where you rather
Super, as in.
savings and deals never stop. So what are you waiting for? Shop with style, share the love and happiness. Amazon.
Ready? Okay. Please spin the code in kasi diretso ko magsugod kay grabe yun ang sale. As in. Alright. Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and the rest of the universe. Maayong gabi kaninang tanan. Welcome to Gap Premium Outlet here in South Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. If you're new to our page, please like and follow so you will get notified every time we do live. 50% deposit po tayo. 50% deposit. No deposit, no product. The remaining balance should be fully paid within 2 months. Without further ado, 5 hours of live selling starts now. Remember the Gap t-shirt that was on clearance the last time? Mas pinababang sale karon. Grabe kayo, pero I only have very few. Sobra ra kagamay kay grabe good na drop ang sale. Okay? This was the original price before when I was here when it went on clearance was 1,000 pesos. Mas pinababang sale nahimo karon og 900 pesos na lang. 899. 900 pesos sarado in. 900 pesos na lang kaning t-shirt nga gikan sa 1,000. Tanan nga mga Gap lang ha, so far. Na din ko'y mga plain t-shirts. My goodness, grabe gid ka sale. As in, super drop. Extra 60% off pa. Munang ni akong ipakita karon. As in, daghan kaayo. Okay? I am wearing size medium this time. Sizes available for this one, which is the Gap with Mickey Mouse. Sizes available, I have extra small, small, and medium only. Again, this is only 900 pesos. Extra small, small, and medium. Who is the first miner? Because I have to make this quick. Everything is on sale, baby. Everything is on sale. Who's the first miner for my beautiful Gap t-shirt for 900 pesos, 900 pesos. I have extra small, small, and medium. I am wearing medium and it is stretchable. Gikan siya sa 1,000. I mean, grabe pagit siya kamahal sa una. Nag-sale siya, gihimo na kong 1,000. Karon, 900 na lang. Who's the lucky miners? I have very few. I only have one extra small, small, and medium for only 900 pesos. Who are the miners for the first part of the program? Ready, get, set, go. Type extra small, medium, and small. Okay? Grabe ra kay kagamay. 900 pesos tanan so far ha sa t-shirt. Pero gamay ra kayo ang naay gap. Alright? Ready? Get set, go. Super, super, super sale karon. Tanan clear. Tanan clear.
Milan Arquisa.
Ma'am Milan Arquisa, size medium. Yes, medium din. Tani ako gusto. Ma'am Milan Arquisa, this is for you, size medium. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Everything is 900 now. This is for you, Ma'am Milan Arquisa. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Confirm for you, Ma'am Milan Arquisa. Very few lang akong t-shirt na naigap ha. Kay grabe yun yung clearance. Hurot na gid siya. Tanawa sa everything has extra 60% off, baby. Grabe gayon. Okay? Extra small, small, and medium for only 900 pesos. 900 pesos. Who is the next miner for this beautiful Gap t-shirt? Ready, get set, go. Make it quick, baby. Extra small, small, and medium lang. No large, Mom Jevica. Mom, no large. 900 ra ba, Ma'am, na Mickey Mouse? Extra small, small, and medium lang yun, Ma'am. Extra small, small, and medium. Extra small, small, and medium. Wala pong turno, Ma'am. Wala pong turno. Naturnohan ko lang ni siya, and then I have very few shorts na ay kapares. Okay? Ang bisang shorts, be. 900 pesos gikan sa 1,000 na himo na po siyang 900 karon. Super, super kabarato. Extra small, small, and medium only. I have very few shorts that I have here. Very, very few lang. Sizes available of my shorts, I only have tanan akong baligya clearance. Extra small, small, and extra large. I am wearing size medium. I am wearing size medium. Extra small, small, and extra large.